Hi everyone. I just wanted to make a little video in order to show you where to go to the virtual meetings. So in module 3, if you go at the bottom here, there are two available meetings that you can attend. Attendance is not mandatory. It's an option that I'm giving you in order for you to ask me as many questions or share your concerns that you have about the MYP. So it's really like open to any subject that we want to discuss. So the two meeting times are like at 3 and at like 13 hours, which is 1 p.m. On July 24th. But since we are in a really different time zone, what you are going to do is just to press on it, click it, and then you see that for me it's going to be on July 23 in Montreal at 11 o'clock at night. So at 23 hours. So that is going to be my first meeting time. And if you can send me topics and questions in advance as I have written. But here, if you click on that, it's a time zone converter. So if you click on it, it's already set to my time. And then if you have at your city, for instance, if you are in Singapore, then you'll see that that would be a meeting at 11 in the morning on Saturday, July 24th. So this is an option that you have here. Okay, so it's pretty simple to use. And the other meeting time, and it's not yet open, but you'll have like a button here to click in order to get in the big blue button meetings, and then you'll have to authorize like audio and video in order for me to see you actually and to hear you. So that's the way to get in. The second meeting time option is here at 1 p.m. if I may say, for Greenwich Meridian time. But here for me it's going to be at 9 in the morning on July 24th. Once again, I've put in a link for the time zone converter, and then you'll see that it's already set up for July 24th at 9. And once again, if you were to be in Singapore, then it would be like at 9 o'clock at 9. So you really choose. Sometimes like the two options are good for some of you, and sometimes there is like one of the two options which doesn't make sense. So if you have any questions, I'm available here, and I'm going to be doing that again next week. So hoping to see you and to answer any questions and concerns that you might have, and let's see you in a few days. Bye-bye.